Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we are going to be taking a look at the AOHi Magarmor case for the iPhone Air. And this is a very nice case. This is one of the first cases I've taken a look at from AOHi. I've used their charging accessories in the past, and they have very, very nice charging accessories, power bricks, cables, all that kind of stuff. So now we're going to be taking a look at one of their cases. They sent this out for review, so thank you for sending this out. This has a PU polymer material around the P4U polymer material around the frame, which if you guys are wondering what that is, I've actually got some of it right here in this little jar that I have been playing with. There we go. So it's this flexible material. It's almost like a putty, but as you can see when I put my finger into it, it kind of just absorbs the pressure and holds that shape. So it's like a putty, and it's basically what absorbs the shock around the case if you drop it. So we're going to take a look at this actual case now and see how they implement this to protect your phone. But that stuff is pretty fun to play with. So we'll go ahead and unbox this here. And here's the case itself. Very, very nice looking case. And they also give you more information about the PU4 polymer material and what it does, how it works. And there's also another little jar of it right here. I'm pretty sure you get this as a retail, in like a retail case packaging kind of deal. If I can get this one open. There we go. So yeah, it's basically a smaller version of the big jar that I have over there, just so you can feel it. But that comes with all the cases right there. The other bigger one was just for a review sample to show it off. But here we go. Nice, very, very nice case. It has that material around the edge here. As you can see, it's all along the sides. Now, obviously, that's enclosed within the case. It's not, just out like where you can actually feel it like you can in the jar, because that would get all over the place. And we have a little quality control thing right there, but it does have MagSafe on the back here, as you can see. It's got a CNC aluminum camera protector there, a little bezel around the camera, same as with the buttons right there. Your power, or your volume and your action button. And then it does have a camera control cutout. A lot of cases on the Air and on the 17s have gone to the pass-through, so where it's not a cutout, it just has the pass-through sensor. That is not the case here. I kind of wish it was, because I was happy that a lot of manufacturers were going towards that. I do have that skin on my phone, so you can see that kind of through the case here. It doesn't look like the case is messing up the skin or anything like that, though. But very nice case. Pretty protective. It doesn't add too much bulk, obviously, with the iPhone Air. You're not going to want to add cases that add a ton of bulk, because that's going to defeat the purpose. But there you go. Nice camera protection there, as well as the buttons and the cutouts on the bottom. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. And as always, have a great day.